Yeah, so question 49 from the homework. They tell us we've got 0.500 kilograms of silver, and they ask how many atoms of silver that is. So this is kind of the opposite direction of some of the previous questions we looked at, where we went from phosphorus atoms to kilograms of phosphorus. Now we're being asked to go from kilograms of an element to how many atoms. So very similar steps that we followed before, just the opposite direction. So to kind of give us the roadmap, right? We can start with kilograms, but we want to get to moles so we can get to atoms. I can't go directly from kilograms to moles, but I can go from kilograms to grams, right? Using the metric system. Once I'm in grams, then I can go grams to moles using the molar mass of silver. And then once I'm in moles, right, I can use Avogadro's number to get atoms of silver. So the exact opposite sequence that we worked for the phosphorus question. All right, so step one, going to bring in our metric system. Got 0.5 kilograms, right? We know for every 1 kilogram, we're going to have 1,000 grams. So I've got 500 grams of silver. That was step one. Step two, we're going to bring in our molar mass, right? So I've got 500 grams of silver. I know for every 1 mole of silver, I have to have 107.87 grams of silver. So grams cancel out. We're left with moles, right? 500 divided by 107.87. Got approximately 4.635 moles of silver. The last step now, step three, we can go from moles to atoms using Avogadro's number. So 4.635 moles of silver. The only thing that relates moles to atoms, Avogadro's number tells us for 1 mole of anything, 6.02 e to the 23 atoms of silver. So moles cancel out, multiply by Avogadro's number. All right, and I get 2.79 e to the 24 atoms. I would do 3 significant figures because if they gave you the mass as 0.500, that's 3 significant figures. So 3 significant figures in your final answer for that. So like I said, kind of in class, when we introduced this, you should get comfortable working these problems any direction. So the phosphorus question, we went from atoms of phosphorus to moles to grams to kilograms. This question is just asking us to reverse those steps: kilograms to grams, grams to moles, and then moles to atoms of silver in this case for question 49.